How likely is it, or how wise is it, for the country to finally let go of masks within the year? And is this the right move to make? That big question and more with molecular biologist, priest, and OCTA Research Fellow, Father Nick Austriaco. Father Nick, welcome to The Big Story.
Good evening, Robbie. Good evening, Gretchen. Thank you for inviting me to your show.
Hey, Father Nick, I know it's ironic having to ask this after we start talking about it, but is this too early to be talking about getting rid of masks?
We are being forced to have that conversation because countries around the world have already gotten rid of masks. So it's not surprising that the Filipino people are going to ask, when is our turn? There are already 4 countries in Europe that have removed all COVID restrictions. Every single COVID restriction has been removed. There are no minimum public health standards in 4 of those countries since the beginning of February. And many states in the United States are already removing their mask mandates. So it's not surprising that we're having that conversation here as well.
Yes, but in those countries, we're seeing surges, at least in total numbers. Denmark was one of the first countries to lift all protocols. Of course, the key indicator for them now is their public health system. They're saying it's not collapsing, it's not getting overwhelmed, fewer people are dying. What are the lessons and indicators from there that can actually be transposed here?
So what's really striking is that yesterday, for the first time, Denmark reported a reproduction number below 1. So it's now 0.9. So without any minimum public health standards, the number of cases is dropping in the country. And of course, this is unexpected in one sense. A lot of people were worried that there would be a surge. What you're seeing actually is that there is significant population protection, vaccinations and natural immunity together that have protected the Danish people from a surge. And our hope is that we too, here in the Philippines, will have that kind of population immunity, not only because there are cities, including the National Capital Region, that have attained 80% of their population for vaccination, but many of the other urban areas of our country, according to the NVOC, are already over 70% of adults and eligible vaccinees. So this, coupled with significant numbers of Omicron survivors, there are estimates that half of the Filipino people will have been infected by Omicron by the time the Omicron wave is behind us completely. So you can see that, like these other countries, the Philippines is expected to enjoy a period of calm and stability because of our significant population immunity.
Okay. Father Nick, maraming salamat po. Father Nick Austriaco of OCTA Research.